Recently, there's been a lot of school trips going to places, but my locker being at school with no locks is a risk. So I decided to make a padlock with the help of a comment section 1 year ago. Hey everyone, Mr. Mustache here, and yeah, we haven't uploaded in 3 months because it's been really hard. School has been, you know, initializing events and stuff, so we have to go places. But anyways, my partner over there is being a lazy bum too, so we didn't have enough time. What? Well, okay, so the padlock. At first, we wanted to make a face recognition padlock, but that didn't work. And we used an ESP32 because there was a comment 1 year ago that suggested us to use the ESP32 because it's much faster than Arduino Uno. And that was in one of our first engineering videos after the channel change. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. That's the story. I'm gonna be explaining. Wait, no, he's gonna be explaining because he hasn't done anything. So he's gonna be explaining how the padlock works, and yeah, this is how it works. So this is the final iteration of the padlock that's going to end up in the showcase. So this padlock works by having this motor or servo motor that's going to open this hinge on the locker in school. Now the servo motor is attached to the Arduino, and the Arduino is connected to an ESP8266 through TX and RX. And then there'll be an ESP32-cam that's going to sense people's face and send it to the ESP8266. So the ESP8266 acts kind of like a Wi-Fi bridge. ESP32-cam acts like a key, which is going to scan people's face. Any face will do. But the important security measure is that it has to connect to my phone hotspot, and it needs a power bank in school, which not everyone will bring. And after that, the ESP8266 is going to send to the Arduino Uno, which is going to move the servo motor if everything aligns properly. So there's a lot of ifs, but yeah, that's how it works. And so I'm going to show you how I build it with the montage. In this build, there was supposed to be like a bunch of variations, but I like to cut the montage short because I don't think you guys want to watch the montage like for that long. So yeah, here's just the product for the final version. So yeah, enjoy. So guys, we're officially done with the actual lock. I know I said padlock, but this does not look like a padlock. This is permanent lock, like security lock on the locker. Anyways, yeah, we're done. So I guess see you in the showcase. By separate the SD for your face, right? The SD by separate, and then this one. The right picture. And I can.
Yo, this guy's Tony Stark, bro. Yo, it's Tony Stark! There's some more, Tony Stark. Nah, I wanna take a clip, bro.
So yeah, I guess this is the video. Yeah, I haven't uploaded in 3 months, but hey, you got a video now. Anyways, next video, I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but yeah, hopefully this don't happen again because really busy and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Please share and subscribe so that way I can reach 1,000 subscribers. I hope at least. But anyways, yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'm not gonna quit YouTube anytime, so yeah, just remember that. Alright, see you next time.